Okay, let's dive right into this explainer and look at how to permanently protect your home's exterior from Colorado's extreme, high-altitude climate. If you live on the Front Range, you know firsthand that our weather is absolutely no joke. So today, we're breaking down exactly what it takes to future-proof your house, increase its value, and give you total peace of mind against the elements. Let's get into it. So, is your Littleton siding failing? If your home was built anywhere from the 1970s through the 1990s and it still has its original wood or older vinyl siding on it, it's almost certainly starting to show its age. You might be seeing peeling paint, warped boards, or maybe even actual rot. And if so, I really want you to know you're not alone in facing this urgent Littleton siding replacement dilemma. Honestly, needing siding repair in Littleton is one of the most common, yet absolutely critical home maintenance challenges in our area right now. Here is our agenda for today. 1. The Littleton siding problem. 2. The James Hardie HZ5 solution. 3. Meet 5280 exteriors. 4. Warranties and cost expectations. And 5. Next steps for your home. Section 1. The Littleton siding problem. Littleton's proximity to the foothills means our home sees some seriously aggressive weather patterns. I mean, we're dealing with rapid freeze-thaw cycling. This is a big one. This is where moisture sneaks into older wood or vinyl during the day, freezes solid at night, expands, and literally pops the siding apart over time. Combine that with severe seasonal hail exposure, crazy high winds, and elevation-driven UV rays that just bleach out your colors, and older materials are rapidly destroyed. Add the pressure of navigating strict HOA aesthetic guidelines on top of all that, and the whole situation becomes incredibly complex for the average homeowner. And because of this, standard solutions just flat out fail here. Colorado is not a generic market. The elevation-driven UV, seasonal hail, and massive temperature swings demand way more from your exterior. Standard materials that work perfectly fine in California or the Midwest, they simply cannot survive the demanding high-altitude microclimate we have here on the Front Range. You absolutely need an exterior system that's explicitly engineered for this specific environment. Section 2. The James Hardie HZ5 solution. So here's the crucial point. When looking at James Hardie siding in Littleton, you must specifically use James Hardie HZ5. I really want to emphasize that HZ5 designation, okay? This isn't just some generic fiber cement board. James Hardie literally engineers their products by climate zone, and the HZ5 formulation is tailor-made for our exact high-altitude, cold, and wet microclimate. It's scientifically designed to prevent the freezing water expansion, cracking, and swelling that ruin standard siding. When it comes to fiber cement siding in Colorado, this specific HZ5 zone rating is non-negotiable. When you compare materials side by side, traditional wood and vinyl are highly susceptible to rot, catastrophic woodpecker and termite damage, warping, and honestly, they present a pretty significant fire hazard. In stark contrast, James Hardie HZ5 is totally immune to pests. It won't rot, it boasts a Class 4 hail impact resistance rating, and it features baked-on ColorPlus technology that holds its finish way longer than regular paint. Getting this kind of Hardie board in Littleton dramatically lowers your maintenance headaches and significantly increases your home's resale value. Now, beyond just weather, James Hardie HZ5 offers non-combustible protection that's vital for us today. It holds an ASTM E136 non-combustibility and Class A fire rating, meaning it won't ignite in a direct flame. This is massive, guys, because it can help you meet the incredibly strict new 2025 Colorado Wildfire Resiliency Code. And the best part? In many cases, installing this level of structural hardening can possibly lower your home insurance premiums, which is absolutely something we all want right now, right? Section 3. Meet 5280 exteriors. Look at those years, 2024 and 2025. That's when 5280 Exteriors won the back-to-back James Hardie President's Club Award. This is an incredibly rare national distinction. In fact, they hold this as the absolutely only contractor in the entire state of Colorado to win back-to-back in those years. This award reflects the highest possible standards for installation quality and customer satisfaction across the whole country. The great thing is, they aren't some massive, faceless national franchise that just subcontracts to the lowest bidder. As a top-tier siding contractor in Littleton and a James Hardie Elite Preferred Contractor, which is the highest tier in the Hardie network, by the way, they've got over 20 years of experience. They know exactly how to execute a flawless, localized installation. They're native Coloradans, locally based, right over in Centennial, serving Littleton directly. Because this Littleton siding contractor is local, they possess deep, practical knowledge of your specific permitting requirements, and they know exactly how to navigate those notoriously tough HOA aesthetic rules. Section 4, Warranties and Cost Expectations. Let's talk about the warranty stack and how you can completely eliminate the risk from your investment. First up, you get a 30-year limited non-prorated product warranty directly from James Hardie on the HZ5 siding. Second, you get a 15-year warranty on that gorgeous ColorPlus finish to protect against any peeling and fading. And finally, 5280 Exteriors layers on their very own robust 10-year workmanship guarantee on their local installation labor. You are literally completely protected from the product to the paint to the craftsmanship. So for total transparency on pricing, James Hardie siding installation in Littleton typically runs between $15 and $30 per square foot. And it's important to note that this includes both the premium HZ5 materials and the elite professional labor. Where your specific project falls in that range really just varies based on the complexity of your home's architectural design, any custom trim details you want, and the specific siding profiles you end up selecting. Section 5. Next steps for your home. Getting started is completely stress-free with their simple educational process. Seriously, they don't use any of those high-pressure sales tactics. Step 1 is just reaching out for a free, no-obligation estimate to see where you stand. Step 2, you can actually use their online visualizer tool to design your new exterior. You get to experiment with different siding profiles and ColorPlus options right on a 3D model of your actual home. And Step 3, you just sit back and enjoy a seamless, highly communicative, localized installation process. If you're ready to take that first step, reach out to 5280 Exteriors at 720-707-6964 or just visit their website at 5280exteriors.com to secure your free estimate. They're conveniently located at 7000 South Yosemite Street in Centennial, and they're standing by to confirm your Littleton service area and get your project rolling. I'm going to leave you with this final thought. Are you ready to future-proof your home's exterior against the next unpredictable Colorado storm? Why risk another harsh, freezing winter or massive hail season with failing wood or vinyl siding when a scientifically engineered James Hardie HZ5 solution and an elite local team are literally just a phone call away? Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and here's to protecting your biggest investment the absolute best way possible.